chill on the river.
Beautiful day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, you guys. Oh yeah. Hola. What's up, guys? Ollie. Big one. Beautiful. What do you think, Dad? I love it.
All right, look at that snapper. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Snapping.
Yeah. Oh, coming. Yeah. Look up, you know him. He's really bullies. He's really bully.
Catch them outside, how about
Yeah. Crane there on the nest. Wow, hi buddy. Look at that crane. Alright. You're huge. Wow. Redhead. Beautiful redhead. Oh, I'm about to crash. Okay. Oh no. Go on a tree. Whoa. Time. Got there. Whoa, look at that frog. Whoa, cool. Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Look at that guy. He's chilling. Whoa.
Where can I hold it?
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Oops. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go back.
Whoa.
Oh, it's on the deer skull.
Is there any other frogs?
Frog on the deer skull?
Look out.
Uh-oh. Don't squeeze him. Oh, wow. Yeah.
He's ready to go back in the water.
Wait, Adi, can I hold it?
Let John hold him.
Release him. Oh, it's time for you to go. Okay? I want to release him.
Harper, release him.
You're a big frog.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, dude, that looks so cool.
There he goes.
Bye-bye. Bye, bird.